brand episode today. If today is your first time you're coming to this channel, please subscribe and like, share, or the link for us. Are you getting it? And again, if you're a returning subscriber, please also do the right thing as usual. And I say thank you all to you, all my fans, all my subscribers. If not for you, there would have been no us. Really appreciate. Then again, if you want to buy your skincare recipe, organic materials, or you want to buy cosmetic, you can always scan on us via the number on your screen. As a matter of fact, we ship everywhere: Canada, US, UK, Asia country, Europe, or even other part of Africa as well, or in Nigeria, anywhere we deliver as well, that is any kind of, our price, they are affordable, you know what I mean? So we talk about that. I quickly want to do this now. The last 3 weeks or last 2 weeks, or precisely let's say 1 month now, you guys know how I look. I hate to even say this, but you guys know how I look. I look like some chimpanzee, some apes, from Africa, yeah. And I'm proud of myself too, But how come people be telling me, oh, like you don't use this cream, use it for us, And I say, okay, I tend to do this. They can look at me now, just in less than 15 days, or say 14 days, even if it's a month. Is anything wrong with that? It's not my power, you hear me? Look at this, what I said to you. Irish ladies body white, look at it. Irish ladies body white, look at it. Irish lady body white. As a matter of fact, this cream, I tell you, everything that I told you about this cream is real. Everything, look at my face. Everything I told you about this cream is real. It's not going to give you any blemishes, no green vein, no what do you want to the pigment, hyperpigmentation, or what you think, or rashes? Not those cream at all, And also we have the face wash of it. We have all of them. Like, sorry, I've not put the label. Like, honestly, we have the face wash of it. We have the scrub. We have all of them. We just have them. It's the full set, and it's affordable. I don't see any reason why you can't go for this. It's just something I told you about this right up point. You understand it? Something about this cream. Use it. You go see yellow CC, yes, yellow CC, aka yellow CC, Irish lady body white, aka yellow CC. Go for it. You're not gonna regret it. Go for it. Go for it. Just place your order now. You're not gonna regret it. I say, if your skin is stubborn, highest is 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, highest 1 month. Are you getting it? Above that, I tell you, if your skin is not stubborn, let's say in less than a week, 7 days, less than a week. Return. It's just a matter of, like, they said, when did you start this cream again? They started asking me, when did you start this cream again? So I was telling you, don't believe it? Nah, It's amazing anyway. It's amazing by this cream. So a quick one again, If you know you want to buy your recipe, original recipe, I've been begging you guys about original recipe. Why would you even want to buy fake and produce for your customers? It's crazy. I mean, and a lot of people, they keep doing it. They say, hey, this guy said for me this price. This guy said for me, oh, you really believe this? Where this guy made this product from? Like some of those products that we know very well, they are not in the market right now. We try to see how we can get them. We try to see how we can write the companies and bring for us, and these guys bring them from nowhere. Automatically, just you will keep getting stretch mark. Keep doing. You will get more stretch back. You will get more. More eczema, crying, all those shit in your body. So, let's not just talk about like what my friend used to say. Yeah. Okay. So, what will I drop for you tomorrow? Okay, I promise you, I will teach you a quick homemade cleanser. So watch out for tomorrow. I will teach you how to make a quick homemade cleanser whereby you check everything about the cleanser, the pH level, everything about the cleanser will be on point. Like what my friend in the US always tell me, on point. So real talk, you hear me? As a matter of fact, no offense, for those of you who go buy fake products, stop those habits. You understand? Stop those habits. So AYA Cosmetic, we've come to the end of this class. Don't forget, I say I appreciate you all. If not for you all, they would have